Hello and welcome to Queen's Crafts by Bridget. I'm Bridget. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're new here or you've been around since the very beginning, I truly appreciate you coming by and spending some time with me. If you're looking for me anywhere else on the internet, you can find me at my Facebook group page, which is linked down in the description box below. You can find me at my email address, which is queenscraftsbybridget@yahoo.com. And you can reach me directly through my website, and you can also see and purchase the things that I have available or make up a set that you would like me to make for you via queenscraftsbybridget.com. Everything is linked down in the description box, so it's easy for you to locate if you don't remember where you need to find me. If you wouldn't mind liking, subscribing, and sharing, that would be greatly appreciated. Today we are here a day late. Yesterday was a bit of a busy day, so today we are putting the last names in the cauldron, and we are selecting our winner for the month of October. Excuse me. So we have the cauldron here. And as I read these names to you, I'm going to fold them up and put them inside. So first we have Denise Lee. Then we have MJ77. There's a little bit more to that one, but that's all I wrote down. We have Katie's Been Yarnified. Stella's Mom. Mama G Gear. Carrie Penderson. And Marie Simpson. Congratulations and thank you for your active participation on the channel. Now everybody is inside. We're going to put the lid on. Give her a good shake. All right. Okay, nothing there. Nothing here. Going inside. Reaching around. Pulling just one out. Carrie Penderson is our winner. Can't read my writing, but that's what that says. Please do contact me as soon as humanly possible. Within the next 48 hours would be appreciated, but I will give you up to 72 before we have to pick a new winner. So please, Miss Carrie, get a hold of me right away at queenscraftsbybridget@yahoo.com. This is what Miss Carrie has won this month. This is the shawl that we made together on our for our Monday nights between Mel and I. This was made using 2 cakes of a mandala. So, and if you guys want to make yourselves one of these, there is a pattern out there. You have to jump through some hoops to get it, or you can just go over and follow Fiber Spider's tutorial, and it is the Virus Meets Granny Shawl. And since I have you here, I have a couple bags to show you. I had a special order for a specific fabric. I made that order, and then with what was left over, I made a takeout bag. This is it's kind of pink, kind of very lavender, very light lavender purple. And then I paired it with a light purple on the inside. And then we also have a medium tote bag set. And of course, our little notions pouch. And it has purple in the inside. I do need to get these, have a picture taken of them and have them put up on the website. Oh, excuse me. I have 2 of the takeout bags. I will get these up onto the website just as soon as I possibly can. It might be as late as tomorrow, but hopefully I will get the pictures to Steve today. I have a bunch of stuff on my to-do list. And then I finished the last ball of the 2 purples that matched. And I'm about to start the very last color, which was the one that I messed up, which ended up more purple than I had anticipated. Oh, I just love how that is looking. Oh, that's so pretty. So, so pretty. I just love it. Um, this is the last ball I will be putting in. Not sure I will get to this tonight, but hopefully in the next week or so. I wanted to have it done before the 1st, but I ran out of time. I've been doing so many projects here at the house. I'm taking over a bit more of the house again. We took the fish tanks out to the shop today. We have a large shop in the back of the house. And so we took the fish tanks and the stands out there. They were in the spare bedroom closet, and all of our decorations for the holidays were in the closet in there. I am taking those out of there and moving them into another closet so that I can take that closet and set up my stock in there. There's shelving in there so that I can put each kind of bag on each shelf, and then the smaller bags can go in like a tote or something like that. So that I don't have to go in and dig through a tote and, make everything kind of wrinkled and whatnot when I'm trying to find what's been ordered off the site or what someone has, emailed me and said, hey, I need this bag. So that'll make things a little bit easier on me. But because of that, it's been very, very busy. I also built a 6-cube storage unit for the craft room here and got in another 3-drawer plastic dresser type unit so that I can put each craft where it needs to go and keep things a little bit more organized. I am going to steadily be working on that. It's probably going to be a continuous project throughout the next year because I'm not very good at organizing and I get very overwhelmed, so I only do just a little bit at a time, and then I just wait until the next time I have the urge to do all that, when I can't find something. So I have some bags that I'm going to be working on tonight. The bags that I told you guys about before. Plus I added one other fabric. So there's going to be Christmas bags dropping in the next couple of days. I'm hoping to get them all sewn up tonight. I have them all cut and ready to go. I just have to sit in front of the machine and stitch, stitch, stitch. So I think that's about it for now. I also have a spin that I'm almost done. I just have to do the plying and then start the next spin. It's been busy around here. I hope you all are well and crafting your happiness. Until next time, we will see you then. Bye for now.